Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I have kind of a fall, pre-fall haul video to share with you guys. I've gotten a lot of clothing recently, actually mostly tops and stuff, just to kind of take me into the fall season. I love a good color combo, love dressing for the season, chromatically, I guess, like the colors of the season. So I want to share with you guys everything I've purchased recently. If you watched my summer wardrobe favorites or whatever I called that video, you'll know I purchased a lot of stuff from J. Crew Factory, and Loft, so don't be surprised to see those items in this particular haul. And to address another thing, not all the hangers are going to match. I'm sorry about that. I just didn't have enough of the same ones to have them all in the same hanger, which means I probably need to go through some of my older clothes and say goodbye to a few things, but that's a whole other discussion, a whole other video for a whole other day. So without further ado, I want to get started, and we'll start with tank tops. Well, actually, why don't we start with what I'm wearing, which includes one of the tank tops I've purchased. So it is this tank right here. And this is actually from H&M. Don't frequently shop at H&M. Sorry, my bra is like too tight. I don't frequently shop at H&M, but I did happen to go in one randomly when we were returning some stuff at the mall recently, and we were just wasting time kind of getting some extra steps in, and I saw this and fell in love. So I love this. It is the most perfect pumpkin-y warm orange, and definitely recommend checking it out. I think it came in white and black, and I will link it below if I can find it online. Everything I will link below if I can find it, so if you're interested in a piece, just look down in the comment or description box. I also recently got this sweater. This is from J. Crew or J. Crew Factory. It's from one of them, and I love it. Just a nice animal print. You will see a couple items that are animal print because I'm just very into it right now. I don't know if it's cheetah or leopard or whatever, but I am loving that. So I'm going to roll this back up because it is a little warm. Other tank tops. So these are all the exact same tank top from J. Crew Factory. I bought it in every color because I loved it. So I bought the green one first, and I ended up loving it. So I bought the orange, which is beautiful. That is the most amazing shade. And the navy. All the colors are really vibrant. They're like a silky type fabric, satin type thing, and they're just gorgeous. I highly recommend these tank tops. I will say they're not the longest. They're not cropped by any means, but if you have a longer torso, these might not work for you, so just keep that in mind. But I am 5 feet tall, and they're perfect for me, so I definitely recommend them. They're amazing. Next, I want to go through the short sleeve shirts that I've purchased. This is the only t-shirt. Well, there is one other t-shirt, but it's got kind of a little special detail to it. But this is the only like plain white t-shirt with a print on it that I got, and it has on it a bunch of different espresso drinks. Super cute. I wore this with the leopard skirt that I mentioned in that summer clothing video that is from Loft, and it just looked fabulous together. I absolutely loved that outfit. So loving this. Super cute. I think this was J. Crew Factory. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Next, we have a shirt that once again I went and bought in 3 colors because I'm insane. So it is right here. It's got buttons. It comes in at the waist. It's a really cute eyelet design. I've already worn this black one, but I also got it in like a goldenrod shade and white, and I love this too. It fits my body really nicely. The tapered part comes in right at my waist perfectly, and I'm a huge fan. Once again, maybe if you have a super long torso, this might not work for you. So just keep that in mind, or go try it in the store or something first. And then next, this is technically a t-shirt, and Honestly, I was a little taken aback by how large it is. It's quite a bit larger than I was expecting. But then when I actually was wearing it, it didn't look strange. Like, you could tell it's a little big, but it almost feels like it's supposed to be like that. So it's like a leopard print. The sleeves have a little bit of ruching. And then there's also this little keyhole detail in the back, which is sort of cute. Something to make it just a little extra special. This is from J. Crew. Those eyelet tops were from J. Crew Factory, I believe. So, yeah. Really cute. And I wore this. If you check out my Outfits 3 story catalog on Instagram store, or my Instagram page, or is it catalog? What is it called? Archive? You'll see I wore these with orange pants and it looked really good. I'm already in fall mode, like color-wise. I just want to keep wearing all the fall colors. So last top is from Loft, and this is kind of like a pea soup green, although it does look very yellow in this context, but it's just a simple shirt and it's got buttons. It feels sheer, but if you wear it with a nude bra, you don't need to wear a cami under it. It tucks into things nicely because it's got the right amount of length, but not too much, and I am very smitten with this color. So not maybe the most fall, but I just had to have it because I loved it, and this was like one extra sale or something. Came in 2 other colors, but the other colors was like a goldenrod yellow, so like this eyelet top, so I really couldn't reason getting that one, and then a red, which I also have a red shirt, so I really couldn't justify it, but yeah, I will link that down below if you are interested. I only have one long sleeve shirt to share with you guys. It is from Loft, and it is this dusty pink color. Pink is maybe not the most fall tone, but since this one had a dusty vibe to it, I thought it would work out well. It's got a really cute print and then little, like, I don't know, dot designs on it. And I bought this because I loved the ruffle sleeves. When I saw the ruffle sleeves, I could instantly picture it like an outfit I'd wear this with in my mind with things I already own. So I was like, yeah, I think I need that. So really cute, tucks into jeans really well and looks really cute. So very pleased with this purchase. I bought 3 of the J. Crew Factory cotton cardigans. I have these in a couple of colors already, so I just wanted to get a few more. These are kind of a staple item. Once you own it, you literally never need to buy it again because it's going to hold up since it's made well, but also, I mean, you can use it. It's going to come in and out of fashion, that color probably, so it's something that you never need to replace unless you literally wear it out, which if you do, good on you. Good on you, girl. Or boy. Or boy. So I got 3 colors of this. 3 seems to be the magic number today. I got this burnt orange shade. It's looking very bright on camera, but it is more bricky toned. And I got this magenta shade. And this forest green. I actually had bought a sweater in this forest green color as well, and I was so sad that it just didn't look really cute on me. I have a very short torso, so chunky sweaters tend to maybe be too bulky on me since I've got, you know, curves in the breasts and then curves straight out at the hips. It doesn't really accentuate my waist, so, but it was so cute. Definitely, if you see a chunky sweater on the website, go check it out because it was really cute. But these are the cardigans I bought. So I've purchased 1 skirt recently. This is from J. Crew, and I'm actually really shocked that it worked out for me. But this is a really stretchy material, so I didn't have to deal with the butt doesn't fit into skirts issue that I usually have to deal with. It is so cute. Nice leopard leopard print, and it's, like I said, stretchy, comfortable. Fits really well. This is probably the most comfortable skirt that I've tried in a really long time. So I'm really pleased. Can't wait to wear this with all kinds of outfits. Also from J. Crew Factory, I got this denim jacket. This was the only jacket I had in mind to purchase for fall, so I can check that off my list. and it fits perfectly. It's got a good stretch to it, but not so much that it's gonna look cheesy or pull funny and just look awkward on you. It's got the right amount of stretch. And actually I was really surprised the arms aren't crazy long, which is something I always encounter. Once again, to reiterate, I am 5 feet tall and I don't have long arms. So I'm really glad this fit super well. I got the medium, not even a petite. I don't know if it came in petite. I don't think it came in a petite. I probably would have bought it. But yeah, really cute. Can't wait till it's a little cooler and I can wear this. Actually, I can wait. I'm not trying to like bring on the cold weather, but when the time comes that I can wear this, it's going to be so cute. I'm really excited. I mentioned in the summer video that you would see this J. Crew Factory bucket bag again, and well, here we go. Because I bought it in 2 more colors. I now own it in all 4 colors that they've put out because I love it that much. I got the black, which I didn't think I was going to end up using much, and I've already used it probably 3 or 4 times since I've had it, which isn't long. And then I also got the red. Now, I had actually told my friends, I love this bag so much, I wish they would come out with a red, and then they did. So, very exciting. It's like a burgundy. It looks more purple in person than it's showing up on camera, like more of a wine tone than like a dried blood tone, if that makes sense. But it's really cute. I'm gonna get a ton of use out of these come fall, I already know it. Also with this haul of goodies, I bought a necklace that I actually showed in a video because I loved it so much. I've just been wearing it a ton and I don't know what I did with it. It's around the house somewhere, I gotta find it. And then I also purchased this headband. It's got the satin and the little knot. Really cute. I really like the look of this. Maybe not with my hair being as flatted as it is right now, but so came in 2 colors, this emeraldy green and a black, and the black is actually downstairs and I forgot to bring it up, but did get it in 2 colors and I love this. I think it's adorable, especially when I have my hair up in a bun. If any of you follow me on Instagram, which you should, it'll be linked down below, you'll see that my hair is constantly in a bun, especially in the summer because it's just too hot to have it down all up on me. And I'm probably going to get a haircut at some point, I think October-ish, but my hair has gotten really long, so it's just heavy and hot. I have a lot of hair for one little person that I am, but yeah. So I got this, it's super cute, and that's everything I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I'd love to have you here. I will have everything I mentioned, if it's still available, linked down below. Also, don't forget, if you are not signed up with EBATES, or as it's now known, Rakuten, definitely check my link down below, sign up. It's not a scam, you get actual cash back. I'm getting a check this month for like 20 bucks, which is awesome. It's 20 bucks that I literally had to do nothing to get, so that's pretty sweet. And if you have any awesome fall haul items that you think I need to see, definitely shoot me a link down below. I'm always looking for like the perfect sweater since I can never find one that doesn't make me look completely bulky. So definitely looking for recommendations for that. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!